Hi San Antonio, this is Andrea Garza with Revive Cleaning Crew. We are at one of our repeat clients. We're going to be actually doing different services today here with them. Carpet cleaning, area rugs, upholstery, duct cleaning as well. But remember, we also offer tile and grout cleaning, laminate flooring, and a few other services. So we're actually going to start with our area rug cleaning. In case you have one or a couple of area rugs at home that are sad and forgotten, please think about us, okay? We can bring them back to life. As you can see, this rug right here has been through a little bit of love with kids and pets. So we're gonna try to bring it back to life. Unfortunately, it does have a burn mark, which is that dark circle that you can see in the corner. Obviously, that's not going to come out. But overall, you will see it coming back to life. The first step is always vacuuming. So we always wanna make sure that we start with a clean surface. So we'll go ahead and start vacuuming area rugs, your carpets, hallways, whatever we are cleaning that day for you. Then the second step, we actually spray our cleaning solutions, which actually deodorize, sanitize. And if you do have pets, we will pre-spray a pet treatment. Per request, of course. The third step, we actually will scrub your carpets. We use a floor machine. We'll make sure that those solutions get agitated into the carpet fibers. And then we use a process that is called a low moisture process. So we'll actually use a bonnet to pick up all the soil, and that friction actually also pulls all of the stains off the carpet or area rugs. The final step, per your request, we can also add a protectant on your rugs or your carpets or your upholstery, and that will definitely keep your couches or your carpets or your area rugs clean a little bit longer. Okay, so now let's talk about our upholstery cleaning process. Obviously, we get a lot of phone calls from moms or in general, you know, people moving or getting new furniture, and they just want to spruce up that couch, that sectional, that recliner. And that's one of the services that we're doing here today. So our first step is obviously we protect the floor. The second step is to actually clear our area on the couches, pre-vacuum. And then we spray the cleaning solution, which deodorizes, sanitizes, and just makes everything look a little bit more pretty. Then we agitate the solution into your couch, into your upholstery to make sure it gets deep in there. And the last step, we extract. The extraction process is very important. You don't want to leave any type of solution behind, any watermarks, nothing like that. So we make sure that everything gets pulled off properly from that upholstery. So keep in mind, anything that is upholstered, headboards, benches, recliners, anything like that, we can clean. So now let's talk about air duct cleaning, and that is the other service that we're doing here actually today. So the first step is to remove all of the vents. All of the vents that you see inside your home, we remove those, we clean them, we disinfect them. But once we remove those vents, we bring our machine. It has a reach of about 25 to 30 feet long. It has a vacuum brush on the tip. So this is a soft bristle brush that actually spins inside the ductwork. For the lack of better words, it's pretty much we're vacuuming or vacuuming your ductwork all the way to the plumb box. Then we run the hose a couple of times and just make sure that we're loosening up all the debris, anything that shouldn't be in your ductwork. The last step for this cleaning is we actually fog your HVAC system. So our technician will actually fog your system. It's an EPA hospital grade resistant solution that travels throughout the entire ductwork. And that inhibits any type of odors. It also helps get rid of viruses, bacteria, anything that should not be in your ductwork and you don't want to be breathing. The last step is we replace your vents. Obviously, we put them back into place. And that's it. Just if you're experiencing any type of allergy symptoms at home, if you just replace your HVAC unit, or if you just had a remodeling project in your home, please consider an air duct cleaning. We would be thrilled to give you an estimate. We are known for transparent pricing and flat rates. So please reach out, Revive Cleaning Crew, 210-300-0003.